Hi everyone, my name is Prerna Dhakla and I am presenting my research proposal on Assessment Task 2 Professional Research Practice SLE 706. The title of my project is Antioxidant and Anti-Aging Potential of Avocados and Davison's Plum Extract. This study focuses on exploring the bioactive compounds and their potential application in healthcare, cosmetic, and nutraceuticals. In this introduction, I want to highlight why my project is important. As we know, oxidative stress, which is basically damage caused by free radicals, speeds up aging and can lead to chronic diseases. Natural antioxidants from plants like polyphenols and flavonoids can protect us and are much safer than synthetic options. Cacadus plum and Davison's plum are two Australian native fruits that are especially rich in these compounds. But the problem is most studies so far have looked at them separately and under different conditions, so it's hard to compare them. My project will directly compare the two fruits using the same method to see which one has stronger antioxidant and anti-aging effect. So the project focused on two unique Australian native fruits that are exceptionally rich in bioactive compounds. The Cardos plum is recognized as richest natural source of vitamin C, while Davison's plum is rich in anthocyanin and flavonoids. The Cardos plum is world's richest natural source of vitamin C containing compounds like ellagic and gallic acid with strong antioxidant activities. It is widely used in food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetic while hold cultural importance for indigenous communities. Davison's plum, on the other hand, is rich in anthocyanins and flavonoids, giving it deep purple color. Studies show it can reduce fat accumulation, inflammation, and even cancer cell growth, making it promising for functional food and natural anti-aging products. The central research question of the study is among Australian adults aged 30 or above, which extract Cacato's plum or Davison's plum demonstrates greater antioxidant capacity and anti-aging potential. To address this, standardized in vitro assays will be employed. DPPH will assess free radical scavenging while FRAP will measure reducing power. Additionally, enzyme inhibition assay for collagenase and elastase will be used to capture anti-aging activity. As shown in the diagram, the pathway begins with a plum extract, which contain phytochemicals such as vitamin C, polyphenols, and anthocyanins. These compounds will then be tested through antioxidant assays, followed by enzyme-based assays. A comparison of the results will enable us to conclude the stronger fruit in the terms of antioxidant and anti-aging potential. Ultimately, the findings can inform the development of safe, natural nutraceuticals and skincare products tailored for Australian population. The aim of this project is to evaluate and compare the antioxidant and anti-aging potential of cacados and Davison's plums, specifically quantifying their bioactive compounds, comparing antioxidant activity using assays like TPPH and FRAP, and assessing anti-aging effect through enzyme inhibition of collagenase and elastase again. Finally, the project will explore application of these results in nutraceuticals, functional foods, and cosmetic products for adults over 30. The outcome of this project will extend benefit to multiple groups. For the scientific community, it will provide standardized data on the bioactive and antioxidant properties of cacados and Davison's plum. For healthcare and consumer, it will deliver evidence supporting safe, natural anti-aging product, particularly for the adults above 30. Industry and innovation will benefit through guidance for developing nutraceuticals, cosmetic, and functional food products. Policymakers will enable to make evidence-based decisions that support sustainable product commercialization. Finally, indigenous community will gain cultural valorization, sustainable use of native fruits, and economic opportunities. Overall, this project is to design bridge scientific evidence with practical and social benefits. In this project, the bioactive compounds such as phenolics, vitamin C, anthocyanins will be extracted from cacados and Davison's plum using solvent extraction. Their antioxidant capacity will be assessed through DPPH and FREP assays, which are standard method for measuring radical scavenging and reducing power. Enzyme inhibition against collagenase and elastase will be conducted to evaluate anti-aging potential. The data will be analyzed statistically using SPPS or GraphPad reason to determine significant difference between the fruits. Ethical factors, including the indigenous collaboration and cultural relevance, have been considered, while potential challenges such as season variation and solvent efficiency may affect outcomes. The diagram illustrates how antioxidant restores cellular balance by contracting oxidative stress. This project is planned over 9 months from February to November 2026 with the standard structure timeline to ensure systematic progress. The work begins with developing the detailed research proposal and obtaining ethics approval in February, followed by literature review and gap analysis in March. In the next stage, the method optimization and pilot extraction will be undertaken. From April to June, the focus shift on the laboratory experiments, including extraction of bioactive compounds, antioxidant assays such as TPPH and FREP, enzyme inhibition test for collagenase and elastase again. These phases will generate the core experimental data. In July and August, the data collection will be finalized, followed by statistical analysis using SPPS or GraphPad to ensure accuracy and reliability. Results will then be integrated and compared, aligning with fourth aim of transitional applications. Finally, between September and November, feasibility and application analysis will be carried out alongside writing of drafts and final dissertation submission. This structured timeline ensures that both scientific rigor and transitional outcomes are achieved within the given time frame. To conclude, I have supported my proposal with the right range of peer reviewed studies and reliable sources. These references include work on the photochemical composition of cacaros and Davison's plum, their antioxidant and anti aging effect, as well as broader review of their nutrition and function potential. Together, they provide a strong scientific foundation for my study, ensuring that the project is both relevant and evidence based. Thank you for your time and attention. I truly looking forward for your feedback and suggestion.